Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This wig is from She Admire on AliExpress. This should be a 40-inch loose wave wig. I know so many of you all wanted me to try a loose wave wig, and loose wave is like probably one of my favorite textures. But I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored, you guys. We are going to go ahead and get into this video and open this package. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so let me pull up the page on this hair. This is, once again, from She Admire official store on AliExpress. This is a loose, deep wave human hair wig. It's a 13 by 6, you guys. I love like a nice long middle part. So the wig I'm wearing right now is just a 13 by 4. This is also from AliExpress. This is from Silk Wave, another company like I recently reviewed. I will link this wig in the description box. This was my 40-inch straight wig, so check this wig out if you're interested. But this is a 13 by 6 frontal wig, 40 inches and 180% density, or at least that's what it should be. So let's go ahead and open this package and see what we're working with. So this wig took about a week to come, you guys. So, you know, I feel like most wigs on AliExpress don't take too long to come, but this one did take like a full week. Recently, I've been having like a lot of companies take less than a week, but this one took like a full week. So let's see what we have in here, you guys. Let's go ahead and open it. See what we have in here. So, okay, a beautiful purple bag. Like, okay, I like when companies actually have branded stuff, because sometimes on AliExpress, like, you find out that a lot of these different stores are operating under like just different names. So seeing a different bag makes me believe, okay, this is a unique company. This is not a company I've tried before. So, I mean, that makes me happy. Like, here they go. They got their little name on it, She Admire. And I feel like I don't get purple bags often. So I do feel like, okay, this is its own store. This is not some like phantom store or something. Like, I don't know, like they be doing on DoorDash. Like, you'll order some wings and the whole time it's from Domino's. So, okay, this is actually loose. One second. Okay, I had sirens in the back, but this is, I can tell by the texture, this is actually like a loose wave texture already. So on here, 40 inches. I love my 40-inch hair, you guys. So let me show you this wig. Like, I feel like it has like shed some, so it's not as long. And I'm 5'7", you guys. So let me show you. This is about where a 40-inch wig falls on me. Let me turn around. So this is after it's been shedding for a while. So it's still like past my butt, like right here at my mid-thigh, really. So this wig, it says right here, 13 by 6, 40 inches and 180% density. So it does come with a wig cap. Like, this isn't like your normal type of wig cap you get from most companies, which make me believe like, oh, this is like a new type of company. And then it's like an HD cap. I don't know what that means. I don't use wig caps at all to install my wigs anymore. But yeah, and some little lashes. But let's go ahead and pop this sucker out, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this wig out, you guys. Let's see what we're working with. The texture looks nice through the plastic right now. So let's see what we actually have here. So, oh, this is pretty thick, So it looks really good. Let's take this little netting off. It's giving right now. It looks pretty. And it's like pretty thick. Like, this is a heavy wig, but we're gonna have to stretch it. So let's start with the inside. So this is the wig. This is really thick. This is a really beautiful curl pattern though. Like, this curl pattern is insane. Like, and this hair is just like extremely thick, like extremely thick. But let's start at the top of the wig. I usually like to start at the lace. So this is like a nice lace. This isn't like your normal, I wouldn't say this is like your normal transparent lace. Like, you know, that lace is usually like a little gray when you start out. So this one has like a little brown tint to it a little bit. So here is the lace. It's not HD, but I do think it's like a type of transparent lace. So 13 by 6. So here is the amount of parting space you get. So you get 6 inches going towards the back, and then on the sides you get 2 inches. Like, I mean, that's cool and all. I think it works well with a 13 by 6, but if you're looking for a full frontal, like where you get the full 13 by 6 space, parting space, this ain't it. But I mean, this is still really nice. That's what this wig is too. So I don't have like full lace on the side. That's what they're doing on AliExpress these days, but it works fine. So you got a comb there, a comb there, and a comb there. I do always take my combs out because I don't wear the hair caps, and then they just be pulling my real hair out. So I don't really wear those. But here is the hair, you guys. So it doesn't look that long, but of course we're gonna stretch it because this is some super duper curly hair. Like when you stretch it, like I could see this is some super curled hair. So let's actually get my measuring tape. So here is the hair. Like when you see how beautiful those curls separated when I ran my fingers through it. Like this looks beautiful. So that's how it looked at first, you guys. And that's how it looks now. But oh, this is so pretty. So let's just see where it falls on me, like unstretched. So this hair would be about right here on me, like right above my butt. That hair is super thick though. That is super thick. And knowing me, I'm gonna put some mousse in this and like weigh it down a little bit, but this is some really nice hair so far. Let's go ahead and get my measuring tape. So let me make sure I have this thing lined up correctly. So I got a knot in there. So they usually measure their wigs from about like right here or something. So unstretched, this wig is about, I'm getting 32 inches unstretched. But of course, they always stretch their wig, so I'm still holding the tape up right there. So stretched. Oh, stretched. This is a true to length wig, you guys. Like, I don't know, like, so I'm still holding it right there, you guys. Might need to stand up a little bit for you all. But this is actually true to length. I know because it's like so curled, I was thinking like, there's no way this is actually 40 inches. But when you actually stretch the hair, look, there's 36, 38. So you can kind of see it from here. It does hit 40. There's 40. It does hit about 40 inches. So this is true to length, you guys. So I know like if you have loose wave hair or any kind of deep wave curly hair, you're gonna put mousse in it. You're gonna put water in it, some kind of leave-in conditioner to just like make the curls pop, which is gonna stretch your hair a little bit and give the hair a little more of its length. But this is really pretty, super duper thick. Like, okay, like, so that is where it will fall. That is really, really pretty. And I'm not someone who just loves like a nice deep wave wig. I feel like loose wave is kind of like that middle point that is just it for me. Like I don't want my hair too curly. So I still want like a flatness at the top and stuff, like, or if I do a side part, I still want it to be like kind of flat at the part region or whatever. I do prefer like a nice loose wave, water wave type of texture. So this hair is just really, really pretty, you guys. Like this is the kind of wave I want. Like this is not giving, I'm afraid this is not giving 180% density. This is definitely like more 200 something, 250% density hair. Like this is really, really thick. Like, oh Lord, this is a lot of hair. Let me see if they do offer a 150% density wig, because if this looks really thick to you, you might be able to get away with a 150% density wig if they offer it. So this page, they also do offer 4x4 closures. I know so many of you all asked me about a 4x4 closure. They do have 5x5. A lot of y'all asked me about 5x5, 6x6, 13x4, and 13x6. So they do go from 14 inches to 40 inches, and they do also offer that 150% density if this is like a lot of hair to you. This really is a lot. Like, this curl pattern is just so beautiful though. Like look at how it's bouncing. Like, this is like a loose curl almost. Like, this is really pretty. I am obsessed. I think, I don't know yet. So I'm going to see Usher and Drake in June. So this might be my, I was thinking Drake, this might be my Usher or Drake wig. I don't know, or maybe both. This might be it. This might be the one. This might be it. Okay, look at how bouncy it is. This might be it to see Mr. Usher, Champagne Poppy. I don't know. This is really, really beautiful though. Look at all those curls. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So pretty, guys. I'm over here posing for the thumbnail. This hair is super thick. So once again, I know so many of you all ask me like, who has a good 5x5? Like, so this exact wig is offered in a 5x5 or 6x6 pattern. So definitely check out those if you prefer a nice 5x5 or 6x6 or something, or a 4x4. Of course, you can get something a little shorter, but I'm just really surprised that this actually is true to length, because just looking at it, like, yeah, this is really long though. This is pretty long. Like, yeah, that's pretty long. Yeah. But yeah, this hair is just so beautiful. This is such a nice curl pattern that you don't see very often. Like, so many companies on AliExpress will advertise, oh, this is water wave hair, and you come and get it and it's a kinky curl or something. They'll say, oh, this is loose wave, and it'll be a kinky curl. Like, I'm happy to actually find a nice looser curl. This hair is just like super duper thick though, like super full. Like, this is some really full hair. Like, I am shook, you guys. Of course, I'm going to bleach the knots, probably dye this wig jet black and all that, and install it. But I will come back with another review or the install video or something, just a follow-up video for you all. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.